welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be drawing Goofy, so let's get started. Okay guys, so this is the drawing we are copying today, so let's begin. So up here for the head, do like this M shape. And we do two lines going down, and then we go around. The shape of eyes on each side, and then do a line here, and then we do Goofy's nose, big round like that, then the tiny eyes, there we go, and then we do half a circle over here, both sides for smile, and then we go out, in, and again, out, and back in to join with that. That's how we got Goofy's paw over here for the nose. Then here for the two teeth, we could do like rectangle. Same on the other, and then the smile in the center of this one, connecting to the center of this one, and then on the outside like that. So now go ahead and add another layer into this as well. Now the ears go down here. Then this one going out like that. And his tongue is big, and then just adding some hair, just some lines going out and then go up on the other side, starting off his hat. Curves like that. Then we clip that off, and then we add a rectangle in the center, and then we go up and do a line going in, go back out, and go and connect there, and that's how you do his hat. Now we can move on to the body part. For his neck, we do rectangle like that. Go round for his jumper, round for the neck. Go down, go across and back up, and just add some lines on the side like that. And we go do a gigantic rectangle going down, then another one on the other side, but wider, and then here we go around, go up, leaving that space empty for the arm. Then the top, we go down for that, cross back up like that, and then we do his hand pose. So we do one line and another line going up, and have it over here, and then this design here, we add a line on each side, rectangle for the arm as you can see, and this for the glove part, and then the hand pose. Just like I have here. Now the next hand pose, just a bent arm. So two lines, bent, and then do the sleeve, rectangle for the arm, and then we do the glove. And then our hand pose. Okay, and now we do the pants. We do a line going down, and then cross back up. Over here we do a line like that, and a line going up like that. Here, do the same on the other side, but clip it onto here like that. Then his foot, we can see some of his foot, so we do rectangle on each side. Go around for the foot design. And we do big shoes because Goofy has some big shoes. Let's not make them too big. And now we can start the coloring in. Let's first do the black faces. So we got the black color done. Okay, now we move on to the hat color, which is a lightish green. Okay, then the face color is gonna be like a sandy face color. Go around the eyes with the black. Okay, now the mouth, the tongue is a light pink. The inside of the mouth is like a red. Okay, and now the jumper is gonna be orange. Okay, and now Goofy has like a yellow vest. Then his pants are a blue vest. And then his shoes are a brown. Like this brown. There we go. Okay, let's add Goofy's name. And then our Goofy is done. Okay, so this is how our Goofy turned out. I hope you liked it, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye!